Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Weebly, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a Weebly account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Weebly account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to have a website, and Weebly is a free and easy way to set up a very basic website, and they have a paid plan where you can upgrade and have more features and a custom domain. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here on their website, weebly.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to sign up for a Weebly account, you're going to click on this blue sign up button here on the top right. Okay, next it's going to bring you here to the sign up page. Now the thing is with Weebly, I've been using them for maybe 10 years or so, but at some point they sold to Square. So it's going to reroute you to this website. It doesn't really matter because it still functions the same. So you want to enter in your first name, last name, email, create a password, enter your country, agree to the terms of service, and then click on continue. I'm going to enter this information in off screen. Okay, next you're going to get these two options. So if you're going to be doing any kind of selling or e-commerce, you want to choose this one on the, if you simply just want to create a personal website, you can choose this one. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use the business website. Okay, so next they're going to take you through a series of questions, depending on if you're setting up a business or a personal. So for me, they're asking what is my business name and what kind of business I'm running. And I'm going to click start using Square. Okay, now they're asking what type of business I am. Okay, now they're asking for my phone number. Okay, next I'm going to click on next here on the top right. Okay, now they're asking for shipping. So I'm going to go ahead and click none of these apply. Okay, next it brings me here to my dashboard. So I can go ahead and start putting together my store or building up my website here on the top left. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Weebly account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.